Hey, how's it going? This is Gamer Mike. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this new 10 Pokeball. That's from the new Sword and Shield or the season. It's like a season collection. I think they got like 3 of them, so this is one of them out of the 3. And this one is dent free, but it still got like little scratches on it, but ain't no dents. That's what kind of packs it comes with. Oh god, these are horrible. Oh, not really. Pretty good. The Ancient Origins, got Lost Thunder, and Burning Shadow. Ooh, get a little coin right there. Put that right there. Go ahead and open Ancient Origins. That was a green and white code card, so let's see what we get. Paint Roller, Bloom, Combi, Oddish, Eevee, Gumi, Wooper, Reverse Hollow Rotom, and a... Oh, yes. That is nice. Nice little EX right there. Good little pull, good little pull. Lost Thunder, let's see what we get. First hit was pretty good. Cold call for y'all. Fairy Energy. Got a Bayleaf, Sudowoodo, Counter Game, Spinarca, Piplup, got a Chansey, Tree Coco, Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Nagandel. Not bad at all. 2 hits. Last pack. Hopefully get something amazing for this video. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna be 3 hits in a row. Okay, sounds gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we end it off with something magical? Let's see. Fairy Energy for Buffett. Caterpie, Sandy Cast, Sneasel, Vulpix, Reverse Hollow Wiki, and a Hollow Like a Rock. Dang, that was a good little pack. Got all 3 packs got hits. Even though it wasn't GX or nothing like that, but I got 1 EX and 2 hollows. That's pretty good, if you ask me. Fire hits. All these reverse hollows right here from the 3. Then we got Hollow Rare, Rock, Nagandel, Hollow Rare, and a EX. Skeptile. Nice little EX right there. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that pack. I'm going to do the other 2 Pokeballs. I'm going to go ahead and probably order them, or if I see them in the stores, I'll probably go ahead and pick them up. But till then, I hope y'all have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.